Gurur Brahma, Gurur Vishnu, Gurur Devo Maheshwara. गुरुर साक्षात पर ब्रह्मा तस्मै श्री गुरुवे नमः। इसका अर्थ है गुरु ब्रह्मा, विष्णु और महेश के समान है और वह स्वयं साक्षात पर ब्रह्मा है। ऐसे गुरुदेव को मेरा नमन। With this sacred shlok, I bow down to all the gurus who illuminate our lives with knowledge, wisdom, and guidance. Teachers are not just carriers of knowledge, they are the architects of society, shaping minds and inspiring futures. On this Teachers' Day, Think Sakshi feels privileged to honor the gurus of forensic science community. Today, we are celebrating the torch bearers of knowledge who have dedicated their lives to forensic science, professors, researchers, and scientists whose work has advanced justice, truth, and innovation in this crucial field. Before proceeding further, I would like to introduce Think Sakshi to anyone who is new to us. Think Sakshi is an initiative built on the foundation of spreading awareness, knowledge, and innovation in the field of forensic sciences. Our mission is to connect learners, researchers, and experts to create a platform where ideas are exchanged, curiosity is nurtured, and the boundaries of forensic science are continuously expanded. Today's celebration is a reflection of our belief that knowledge shared is justice strengthened. Think Sakshi is a registered company under the MSME Government of India, founded with a simple yet powerful vision to make forensic science more accessible, practical, and inspiring for learners and professionals worldwide. We are dedicated to promoting evidence based education, research, and innovation in the field of forensic science. Our platform serves as a launchpad for students, professionals, and experts alike, offering hands on learning experiences, interacting workshops, and recognition events that celebrate the real change makers in the field. Notably, we have launched the Research Charcha series, which has guided students, researchers, and professionals in their academic and research journeys. Along with this, we have organized impactful workshops on psychology and insightful sessions on cybersecurity and audio forensics. Till date, in just 2 months, 10,000 plus students have gained knowledge through Think Sakshi across various learning platforms, making us one of the most trusted and growing names in the forensic education space. At Think Sakshi, we go beyond textbooks by focusing on real world challenges, skills, and innovation, helping young aspirants shape their futures and build strong forensic expertise. With our commitment to quality education and collaborative growth, we are not just a company, we are a global movement driven by curiosity, purpose, and the mission to empower the next generation of forensic professionals. To enlighten you all with the background and the bearers of Think Sakshi, I would like to request Siddhi Lal to please continue the event.
Thank you, Ms. Apurva Narad, for introducing Think Saksha. Now, I would like to introduce our founder, Mr. Hitesh Kadyan. Mr. Hitesh Kadyan, sir, is an emerging innovator and researcher in the field of forensic science, holding 10 plus patents and contributing significantly through two international research papers and two book chapters published with renowned international publishers. He is the founder of Think Saksha, an initiative dedicated to advancing forensic awareness, professional collaboration, and recognition in the discipline. Sir has actively participated in and presented at numerous national and international conferences, workshops, and webinars, where his work has earned him accolades and titles. With a deep commitment to research, innovation, and knowledge sharing, he continues to inspire students, professionals, and institutions in the evolving landscape of forensic science. Now, I would like to introduce our director, Ms. Apurva Narad. Ms. Apura Narad is deeply committed to advancing academic excellence and innovation in education. As champion of academic reform and excellence at Devbhoomi Uttarakhand University, she leads curriculum reforms and ensures their effective implementation. Serving as program coordinator for the Department of Forensic Science, she oversees academic operations, coordinate programs, and mentor students to foster critical thinking and practical learning. As placement coordinator for the School of Allied Science, she prepares students for careers through mock interviews and soft skill training. Through Think Saksha, she has gained a leadership platform to promote forensics, strengthen academia industry linkages, and make forensic science more accessible. And now, it is with immense honor that we begin the Rashtriya Vidhi Vigyan Samman Samaroh. This ceremony is a humble tribute to the luminaries of forensic science who, through their research, teaching, and service, have inspired generations of learners and shaped the future of justice delivery. To recognize such immense contributions, Think Saksha proudly confers awards upon the stalwarts of forensic sciences. Our first award goes to Dr. Surendra Kumar Pal for National Guru Dakshata Lifetime Achievement Award. Dr. S.K. Pal is an eminent forensic scientist with a master's in biological anthropology and a PhD in biomedical anthropology from Punjab University. He has served as head of the biology and serology division, resolving over 3,500 cases and personally investigating 300 plus crime scenes. Recipient of prestigious national and international awards, Dr. Pal is also credited with developing a novel technique for diatom detection, a breakthrough that has significantly advanced forensic methodologies and strengthened scientific investigation standards. We congratulate you, sir, and are grateful for your contributions to forensic fields. Over to you,
Thank you.
sir.
Thank you very much. Good evening, everyone. I am overwhelmed and truly honored to receive this Lifetime Achievement Award in Forensic Science. I am deeply grateful to the organizing committee for this recognition of my life, dedication, and contribution to the field. There are so many organizations which are coming up nowadays, but as far as Think Saksha is concerned, that has been doing a wonderful work, marvelous work. And I hope in future the young minds, young generation, young scientists, young forensic students may go forward to gain the knowledge from this Think Saksha. And I wish good luck to the organizer and Mr. Hitesh especially. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. Your contributions are truly lightning.
Thank you.
Next, we honor Sir Kapil Dev for Think Saksha Forensic Icon Lifetime Achievement Award, whose pioneering research and dedication have been a guiding light for students and researchers alike. Dr. Kapil Dev, Joint Director at Forensic Science Laboratory, Uttar Pradesh, Ghaziabad and Agra, is a seasoned forensic scientist with over 20 years of research, analytical, and administrative experience, including 15 years of FSL Uttar Pradesh. Selected as Director, State FSL Uttarakhand Deputation, he holds a PhD in forensic science on genetic polymorphism and DNA database development and completed an executive program at IIM Raipur. He has published in reputed journals, contributed to Springer's textbook, and presented internationally. Recognized with Forensic Excellence Awards, he established DNA unit, advanced NABL accreditation, and serves as technical assessor and expert member in National Forensic Committees. We congratulate you, sir, and are grateful for your contributions to forensic fields. Over to you, sir.
Thank you, ma'am. And thank you, Think Saksha. Organizers, esteemed jury members, distinguished colleagues, friends. I am deeply honored to receive this Forensic Icon Lifetime Achievement Award. Think Saksha. This is a very beautiful name, and one more beautiful thing is organizers and the team Think Saksha is very young. और आजकल मोदी जी कहते हैं कि जो जमाना है वो केवल और केवल यंगस्टर्स का है. इंडिया जो आगे बढ़ रहा है वो जो आने वाली सदी है वो केवल और केवल यंगस्टर्स की है. ठीक है, तो इन्हीं वर्ड्स के साथ मैं कहना चाहूँगा कि राष्ट्रीय विधि विज्ञान सम्मान समारोह, ठीक है, बहुत अच्छा एक टाइटल आप लोगों ने दिया है. दिस अवार्ड इज जस्ट नॉट जस्ट रिकॉग्निशन ऑफ माय इंडिविजुअल journey, but this is a collective effort of my friends, forensic community, and all the people, whatever capacity they are in my touch. Okay, so over these 20 years, I have had the privilege to see in different capacities. I worked as a scientist, researcher, administrator, mentor, contributing to the administration and modernization of the laboratory, especially if I say Forensic Science Laboratory, Uttar Pradesh. Okay, and my basic work is in DNA, but now I'm being recognized as a lifetime achievement awardee. That is, I'm very thankful to all of you, and thank you, Think Saksh. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Your words and works both are very inspiring. Moving forward, we take pride in recognizing Dr. G.S. Sodhi for outstanding contribution to Indian Forensic Award, whose vision and innovations have taken forensic sciences to new heights. Dr. G.S. Sodhi is former professor at SGTB Khalsa College, University of Delhi, and a pioneer in forensic science. With over 135 research papers, a book, and 9 patents in fingerprint development, he has received several national and international awards for his innovations, making remarkable contributions to advancing forensic methodologies. We congratulate you, sir, and are grateful for your contributions to forensic field. Over to you, sir.
Sorry, sir, but I guess your mic is not on.
Yeah, can you hear me now?
Yes, sir.
Okay, thank you so much. I would like to thank the organizers for considering me worthy of this award, this prestigious award, I should say. And I know your organization is doing a yeoman service in the field of forensic science, and it strives to upgrade the status of forensic science to a point of edification. I started postgraduate diploma course in my college, that is Khalsa College, Delhi University, sometimes in 2009. My area of expertise is development of latent fingerprints, and as you have yourself pointed out, I have innovated several methods on these techniques, and I'm really honored for being a recipient of this particular award. Thank you so much for considering my name.
Thank you so much, sir, for your contributions to our field. We extend our recognition to Dr. Mahipal Singh Sankla for Distinguished Research Scientist Award for remarkable achievements in research, innovation, and forensic application. Dr. Mahipal Singh Sankla, Assistant Professor of Forensic Science at K.R. Mangalam University, Gurugram, a specialist in forensic toxicology, nanotechnology, environmental forensics, and fingerprint analysis. He has authored over 170 research papers, 30 book chapters, and edited 11 books. With 70 plus patents, national and international awards, and experience across premier institutes like FSL Lucknow and CBI CFSL New Delhi, Dr. Sankla continues to make remarkable contributions to forensic research, innovation, and mentoring through NITI Aayog's Atal Innovation Mission. We congratulate you, sir, and are grateful for your contributions to forensic field. Over to you, sir.
Thank you so much, Think Sakshi. Especially thank you so much, Apurva ma'am, Hitesh sir, for recognizing me for my research innovation and award. And I'm extremely thanks to my guide who learned me, जिन्होंने मुझे रिसर्च पाथ पे स्टार्ट किया रिसर्च पे इनोवेशन में. सो आई स्पेशली थैंक्स टू माय पेरेंट्स एंड माय गाइड जिनकी वजह से मैं आज रिसर्च फील्ड में इतना रिकॉग्नाइजेशन हुआ और उसकी वजह से मैं यहाँ तक पहुंच पाया अवार्ड के लिए. थैंक यू सो मच. I wish things Sakshi grow day by day very well, and thank you so much once again.
Thank you, sir. Next, we honor Dr. R.K. Kumawat for Distinguished DNA Expert Award. whose groundbreaking research has significantly strengthened the foundations of forensic science. Dr. R.K. Kumawat is the Assistant Director of the DNA Division at the State Forensic Science Laboratory, Jaipur. With over 18 years of expertise in forensic serology and DNA profiling, he has handled more than 5,000 cases, including disputed parentage, sexual assaults, and missing persons. Dr. Kumawat pioneered the first genetic polymorphism study of STR markers in Rajasthan, developed innovative DNA testing protocols, and has authored 60 plus international papers, book chapters, and patents, making significant contributions to forensic genetics in India. We congratulate you, sir, and are grateful for your contributions. Over to you, sir. Unfortunately, sir couldn't join. So we now celebrate Dr. Rajiv Kumar with Distinguished Professor Award, whose dedication and contributions continue to inspire the forensic science community across the nation. Dr. Rajiv Kumar, professor and head of the Department of Forensic Science at IILM University, Greater Noida. With a PhD in forensic science, he has supervised 5 PhD scholars, published over 130 research papers, 15 book chapters, and holds multiple patents, including 2 grants. A frequent invited speaker at national and international conferences, Dr. Kumar is widely respected for his contributions to forensic education, research, and innovation, making a lasting impact on the field of forensic science. We congratulate you, sir, and are grateful for your contributions to forensic field. Over to you, sir.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, Think Sakshi. It's and very, very happy. We are celebrating today's Happy Teachers Day, and I am deeply honored to receive this Distinguished Professor Award at the Rashtriya Vidhi Vigyan Samman Samaroh. Extend my sincerely gratitude to the Think Sakshi team and the esteemed jury for the recognizing my contribution to the forensic science. And once again, thank you, Think Sakshi.
Thank you, sir. It is an honor to have you. It is a privilege to recognize Dr. Ravindra Chauhan for Outstanding Crime Scene Investigator Award, whose pioneering work has advanced forensic practices and education. Dr. Ravindra Chauhan is a distinguished forensic expert with extensive service in CFSL CBI, trained at premier institutes like IICT Hyderabad, BARC Mumbai, DRDO HEMRL, and NICFS New Delhi. He has investigated some of India's most sensitive and high profile cases, including the Parliament House attack, Red Fort attack, Pulwama blast, German bakery blast, Delhi High Court blast, Malegaon blast, Ajmer Dargah blast, and the Sonali Foghat case. His contributions have been vital in solving critical terrorist and criminal investigations of national importance. We congratulate you, sir, and we are grateful for your contributions. Over to you, sir.
Good evening, distinguished guests, colleagues, and mentors present on the occasion, organized by Think Sakshay. First of all, happy Teachers' Day to all of you. As the saying goes, a teacher is the one who shows you the way, but it is you who must walk it. Today, as I receive the Outstanding Crime Scene Investigator Award on Teachers' Day, I am reminded that this achievement is not mine alone. It is the result of the guidance and values instilled in me by my teachers and mentors. In investigation, every detail matters, but so do integrity and preservedness. These qualities were nurtured by those who trained and inspired me to serve with responsibility and dedication. I accept this award with humility and with a renewed commitment to uphold justice while honoring the lessons of my teacher, the true architects of every success. Thank you, Think Sakshay. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Your words are truly inspiring. The next honor goes to Dr. Suneet Kumar for Excellence in Forensic Question Document Award, a visionary whose contribution have strengthened forensic science education and practice. Dr. Suneet Kumar is a seasoned forensic document examiner with over 14 years of experience, currently serving as scientific officer at a forensic science laboratory. He has examined and reported on more than 1,200 question document cases, including handwriting, signatures, alterations, typewriting, and currency notes. With extensive expertise in courtroom testimony and cross examination, Dr. Kumar has also contributed through lectures and training for police officials, prosecutors, and students, making a significant impact in advancing forensic document examination in India. We congratulate you, sir, and are grateful for your contributions to forensic field. Over to you, sir. Sir is not available. Moving forward, with great respect, we honor Dr. Mukesh Sharma for Excellence in Forensic Physics Award for extraordinary achievements that have transformed forensic methodologies and knowledge. Dr. Mukesh Sharma is a distinguished forensic scientist and academic with expertise in forensic chemistry, toxicology, and analytical sciences. He has authored numerous impactful research papers and book chapters, advancing novel analytical techniques in toxicological analysis, drug detection, and trace evidence examination. As a dedicated teacher and mentor, Dr. Sharma has guided many students and young researchers, bridging his gap between scientific innovation and justice. His work continues to play a vital role in strengthening forensic science practice in India. We congratulate you, sir, and are grateful for your contributions to forensic science. Over to you, sir.
Thank you. Am I audible?
Yes, sir,
Am
you
I
are
audible?
audible.
Yes. Thank you. Thank you very much to the Things Nyaya Society, MSME firm. It is very pleasure for me that I am being an member of this awardees list. There are Ranjit sir, Sodi sir, Rajiv sir, Maipal ji, R.K. Kumawat ji. So it's an honor for me to being a part of this event. Second thing, today is the most prestigious day for a scientist or for a teacher who work in the field of science. From the beginning of 20 or 25 year back, I found myself as a teacher, and on the day of Teachers Day, I feel myself great honor ki I have been awarded by a society for my work, as well as I have been found myself with the scientist list those have selected as a member of this great event. Secondly, I would like to thank all the organizers they have and the jury member those have found me suitable for the award. And thirdly, I am open for all forensic fraternity, those who work in the field of forensic science. I am mainly in physics division. There are some typological issues that they have type like toxicology analysis. I never did toxicology and drug analysis. I belongs to physics, and I did crime scenes. I did law lie detection department. I did polygraph division also. I am look after. So it's my pleasure and always being honored to be awarded by some society for your work. So, is there any collaboration of research, collaboration of any events? I am always available. Maipal sir, Rajiv sir, Sodi sir, Kumawaji, everyone in touch with me, and I am very honored to being a part of a new society which I have been shown on LinkedIn, and I filled the form. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, sir. It was an honor to have you. We proudly acknowledge Dr. Sunil Prajapati for excellence in forensic biology, whose tireless efforts have bridged science, justice, and innovation in the forensic field. Dr. Sunil Prajapati is junior scientist at CFSL Pune, Ministry of Home Affairs, Government of India. With over 13 years of expertise in forensic biology, serology, DNA analysis, molecular biology, and biosafety, he has authored 35 plus peer reviewed papers on DNA preservation, contamination control, and advanced forensic sample management. His contributions include establishing biosafety level 2 and 3 laboratories, ensuring quality management in NABL accredited facilities, and presenting research on national and international platforms, strengthening innovations in DNA technology and forensic evidence management. We congratulate you, sir, and are grateful for your contribution. Over to you, sir.
Yeah, thank you very much for giving me opportunity to join this event. I am highly thankful to the committee and jury members for selecting me for this honorable award for this time. And I am always available for any kind of work which is associated for me with the Think Saksh in future. So thank you very much once again for this opportunity. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Our next award goes to Dr. Surbhi Mathur for excellence in digital and cyber forensic, a true leader whose work has made remarkable impacts in digital forensic. Dr. Surbhi Mathur is an associate professor and associate dean at the School of Forensic Science and head of the Center of Multimedia Forensics at NFSU Gandhinagar. With over 13 years of experience, she is a leading expert in multimedia forensic and is a trusted advisor to premier investigative agencies, judiciaries bodies, and international forensic institutions, making significant contributions to forensic science and justice delivery. We congratulate you, ma'am, and are grateful for your contribution. Over to you, ma'am.
Thank you so much, ma'am, and namaskar, everyone. Uh, Thank you so much for recognizing my work and making me I'm truly honored, and considering me for this particular award is a very big thing. Getting it from such a good organization who is working in the field of forensic science for so long, this is truly an honor. And all the respected teachers and all the participants who are getting the awards today, you truly deserve it, and a very happy Teachers Day to you all. On this particular occasion, I would like to thank each and everyone, right from the starting of my mentor, Dr. J.M. Vyas. He is my mentor, my guide, my guru, for always giving me the opportunity to do the best. Thank you, National Forensic Science University, for making us stand where we are today. And thanks to all my students, all my respected seniors who always supported me, and who always pushed me to do the best. And last but not the least, thanks to the Almighty, as well as my family members, because without them, this thing might not be possible. So thank you very much. Thank you, the team, Think Sakshay. Continue doing the good work. All the best, and thank you for having me here.
Thank you, ma'am. Your words were truly inspiring. Now, we celebrate Mr. Yogesh Kumar for excellence in crime scene investigation, whose scholarly and practical contributions have added immense value to forensic investigation and justice delivery. Mr. Yogesh Kumar is an assistant professor of forensic science at Tirthankar Mahavir University, Muradabad, with 18 years of experience at FSL Delhi, NDTL, and FSL Andaman and Nicobar, where he also served as in charge. He has investigated over 1,000 crime scenes and high profile cases. His research includes his first classification of postmortem and bite bleeding patterns, pioneering suicide studies in the Andaman Islands, and decomposition research leading to a microbody farm project. He is a noted trainer, lecturer, and strong advocate for forensic taxonomy in India. We congratulate you, sir, and are grateful for your contributions to forensic field. Over to you, sir.
Thank you, Siddhi. Today is Teachers' Day. First of all, happy Teachers' Day to all students or expert everyone is a teacher here. So thank you. Thanks, Sakshi, for selecting me for this good opportunity and including me this beautiful award in my resume and all these things. As Kapil sir was saying, the name Think Sakshi is very nice. So I would like to explain the value of Sakshi or means evidences. I've worked on crime scene. Still, I am working on crime scene. So I think it's a beautiful name because all forensic science or investigation they surrounds around evidences or sakshi we can say. So finally I will not take more time, but I congratulate think sakshi for this creating this good platform and the judges who have selected me, and I wish all the best for the future of Think Sakshi. They will do very great thing in future, I wish, and I'm always present for them if for any support. Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir. Your work is really inspiring. Now, this award is dedicated to Mr. Ashutosh Panchal for excellence in fingerprint examination, whose exceptional work stands as a beacon of inspiration to forensic sciences. Mr. Ashutosh Panchal is a forensic science professional specializing in fingerprint examination, forensic physics, and ballistics. A certified fingerprint expert and UGC NET qualifier, he currently serves as Inspector Fingerprint at NCRB, where he plays a key role in implementing the National Automated Fingerprint Identification System (NAFIS) across India. Formerly a ballistics expert as at FSL Delhi, he has analyzed firearms evidences and assisted in major criminal investigation. He has also trained police officers and forensic professionals nationwide, significantly strengthening India's forensic and criminal justice system. We congratulate you, sir, and are grateful for your contributions to forensic field. Over to you, sir.
Thank you so much, ma'am, and Team Sakshi for honoring me this Excellence in Fingerprint Examination Award. First of all, good evening to all respected juries, esteemed colleagues, and fellow honorees and dear students. Today is a very special and auspicious day to us. That is Teachers' Day. So, I would take not much time, just want to share my experience कि how gurus will help you to shape your career. मैंने अभी देखा कि डॉक्टर सुरभि माथुर इज देयर, उनको भी आपने एक अवार्ड दिया हुआ है. सो शी इज द वन पर्सन कि जिसने मेरा पूरा करियर एक शेप में लाया. आशुतोष ये करना है, आशुतोष आपको डरना नहीं है, आशुतोष आपको खड़े रहना है, आप जाओ, क्यों नहीं कर रहे हो, चलो मैं आपको बोलती हूँ, मैं आपको सिखाऊंगी, ये करूंगी. तो दिस इज द थिंग कि गुरु आपकी लाइफ में क्या मतलब एक प्लेस रखता है. So thank you so much. Heartfelt gratitude to the Think Sakshi team, Mr. Hitesh Kadian ji, and as the earlier sir told, कि young minds, yeah, seriously, एट माई टाइम इतना ज्यादा टाइम नहीं हुआ है, 10 साल हुआ है मुझे फोरेंसिक फील्ड का मतलब एक्सपीरियंस प्रोफेशनल मेरा जो करियर चालू हुआ है. बट द थिंग्स आर गोइंग वेरी चेंज्ड. पहले इतना सब कुछ नहीं होता था, कुछ भी फैसिलिटेशंस नहीं होते थे, इतनी कोई वर्कशॉप्स नहीं होती थी. बट नाउ यू पीपल आर डूइंग अ ग्रेट जॉब. तो कॉन्ग्रेचुलेशन टू द टीम साक्ष्य थिंक साक्ष्य टीम. एंड वन मोर थिंग आई वुड लाइक टू ऐड कि जो फिंगरप्रिंट होती है वो यूनिक एंड इंडिविजुअल एंड परमानेंट होती है. द सेम थिंग हैपन्स इन अवर लाइफ कि जो भी कोई गुरु आता है, गुरु इन सेंस कि जो कोई भी पर्सन आपको मिलता है वो इच एंड एवरी आपको जो यूनिक और एक परमानेंट जो होता है ना रिमार्क छोड़ के जाता है. सो ऑन दिस स्पेशल नोट, थैंक यू सो मच एंड जय हिंद.
Thank you, sir, for your kind words. Let us now recognize Dr. Chandrasekhar Yadav for academic excellence in forensic science, whose expertise and mentorship have shaped countless students and professionals in forensic sciences. Dr. Chandrasekhar Yadav is an assistant professor at the Department of Forensic Sciences, NFSU Guwahati. Holding a PhD in medical biochemistry from the University of Delhi, he has published 25 plus research papers, authored 3 books and 8 book chapters, recipient of the prestigious UGC Dr. D.S. Kothari postdoctoral Fellowship. His research focuses on environmental toxicology, pollutant exposure, and human health impacts. He has collaborated with CPCB on environmental health projects, supervised 14 plus dissertations, and currently mentors PhD scholars while serving on editorial boards and ethics committees. We congratulate you, sir, and are grateful for your contributions to forensic field. Over to you, sir. Unfortunately, sir is not available. Moving forward, we are delighted to honor Dr. Vipin Vijay Nair for Excellence in Forensic Psychology Award, whose outstanding contributions have raised the standards of forensic science globally. Dr. Vipin Vijay Nair is the Associate Professor and Chairperson of the School Doctoral Committee at Jindal Institute of Behavioral Sciences, OP Jindal Global University, recipient of the Best PhD Thesis Award 2022 in Organized Crime, the ISC Fellow Award 2024, and recognized as a Financial Crime Change Maker 2023. He is a certified expert in forensic psychology and cybercrime intervention. With over a decade of teaching, research, and industry experience, Dr. Nair has 20 plus publications and continues advancing research in criminology, victimology, and forensic psychology. We congratulate you, sir, and are grateful for your contributions to forensic field. Over to you, sir. Moving forward, today we honor Mr. Kapil Parihar for Excellence in Forensic DNA Award, whose innovative research and dedication have left an indelible mark on forensic sciences. Mr. Kapil Parihar is Forensic Scientist Assistant at the Regional Forensic Science Laboratory, Jodhpur. A former assistant professor at Vivekanand Global University, he is pursuing his PhD in forensic science and has authored over 52 publications, including book chapters, research articles, and reviews. With specialized training in ballistics at CFSL New Delhi, he has presented at 20 plus conferences, edited 2 books, and organized 30 plus academic programs. His dedication as a researcher, mentor, and forensic practitioner continues to make valuable contributions to forensic science in India. We congratulate you, sir, and are grateful for your contributions. Over to you, sir. Unfortunately, sir couldn't join. Now we celebrate Mr. Vaibhav Mishra for excellence in forensic innovation and IPR under the male category, whose scholarly and practical contributions have added immense value to forensic investigation and justice delivery. Mr. Vaibhav Mishra is faculty and forensic science at Chandigarh University, Punjab, specializing in digital and cyber forensics. With over 3 years of academic and research experience, he has authored 60 plus patents, including one granted, research papers, and a book chapter. Currently pursuing his PhD at Galgotias University, he also holds multiple professional certificates in digital forensics, penetration testing, and cybersecurity. His expertise in digital technologies and cyber investigation reflects his commitment to advancing forensic science and preparing the next generation of forensic professionals. We congratulate you, sir. Over to you, sir.
Thank you. Thank you so much, Team Saksha, for the great honor on the occasion of Teachers Day. And I dedicate it to my mentors, colleagues, and students who inspire me each and every day. So thank you once again to organize this wonderful event, Rashtriya Vidhi Vigyan Samman Samaroh. Thank you, Team Saksha.
Thank you, sir, for your contributions. Let us take a moment to acknowledge Dr. Archana Gupta for excellence in forensic innovation and IPR under the female category, whose pursuit of excellence has propelled forensic science into new directions. Dr. Archana Gautam, Assistant Professor of Forensic Science at ITM University Gwalior and a PhD scholar. She specializes in forensic analysis, nanoparticle synthesis, and fingerprint development. With 54 published patents, several research papers, and book chapters, she has made notable contributions to forensic research, education, and innovation, inspiring young forensic scientists and advancing the field with her impactful work. We congratulate you, ma'am, and are grateful for your contributions. Over to you, ma'am.
Good evening. Thank you for this beautiful introduction, and thank you to Think Sakship for inviting us on this wonderful occasion. And I feel very grateful for that beautiful introduction and be a part of the forensic team. And thanks a lot. And still, I'm pursuing a PhD. So I'm not Dr. Archana Gautam. I'm a Sarshna Gautam. Okay, thank you, beta. Enjoy.
Okay, thank you, ma'am. We now pay tribute to Dr. M.C. Janaki for Women in Forensic Excellence Award, whose passion and expertise have significantly advanced the forensic domain. Dr. M.C. Janaki, Professor and Head of the Department of Forensic Science at Kalasalingam Academy of Research and Education. With over 18 years of experience, she holds a PhD in criminology and forensic science and has numerous publications, patents, and national awards to her credit. A passionate teacher and researcher, Dr. Janki, dedicated to fostering innovation and a multidisciplinary approach in forensic sciences, creating an environment of curiosity, excellence, and impactful learning for her students and peers. We congratulate you, ma'am, and are grateful for your contributions. Over to you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you for the consideration and recognition of my service. And I congratulate Think Sakshi for conducting such a wonderful event, especially on the day of Teachers' Day and honoring the teachers. I am very glad to receive the award. And I congratulate all the awardees and I wish Think Sakshi to grow high. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. We proudly recognize Dr. Astha Pandey for Women in Forensic Faculty Award for distinguished contributions that have enriched both forensic academia and applied practice. Dr. Astha Pandey, professor at the School of Forensic Science, NFSU, Gujarat, with over 22 years of expertise in forensic toxicology and chemistry. She leads two national centers of excellence, NDPS analysis, MHA-GOL, and nutritional supplements testing, MOYAS-GOL, and has published 50 plus research papers, patents, and copyrights, having supervised 75 plus postgraduate dissertation, 5 PhDs, and mentoring 8 scholars. Dr. Pandey is a renowned researcher, innovator, and mentor whose contributions in explosives, petroforensics, narcotics, and anti-dope forensics have greatly advanced forensic science in India. We congratulate you, ma'am, and are grateful for your contributions. Over to you, ma'am. Ma'am couldn't unfortunately join. Moving forward, today we celebrate Dr. Vandana Nayak for invaluable service and innovation in the ever evolving field of forensic science. Dr. Vandana Vinayak, Assistant Professor at the Department of Criminology and Forensic Science, Dr. Hari Singh Gaur, Central University, Sagar. With expertise in diatom nanoengineering, forensic biology, and algal biotechnology, she has completed 13 major research projects with worth nearly 6 crore rupees. Dr. Vinayak has authored 90 plus publications, 19 book chapters, 6 books, and holds 7 patents, including international grants. Recognized among Stanford's top 2% scientists, she has received 21 awards, chaired international sessions, and pioneered impactful research in forensic and environmental technology. We congratulate you, ma'am, and are grateful for your contribution. Over to you, ma'am. Ma'am is not available. Moving ahead, we honor Dr. Vinny Sharma for Women in Forensic Faculty Award, whose outstanding dedication to research and teaching has inspired generations of forensic learners. Dr. Vinny Sharma, Professor of Forensic Science and Associate Dean, Students Welfare at Galgotias University. With over a decade of experience, she specializes in fingerprints, question documents, cyber forensics, criminal profiling, graphology, and AI applications in forensics. She has trained officers from NIA, NSG, and ATS, provided expert testimony in courts, and actively counsels survivors of sexual assault while campaigning against cyberbullying. With 16 published patents, numerous research contributions, and active roles on editorial and advisory boards, Dr. Sharma continues to inspire innovation, awareness, and excellence in forensic science. We congratulate you, ma'am. Over to you, ma'am.
Thank you. Thank you so much. I hope I'm audible and visually available. So, thank you, Think Saksha, for honoring this award and bestowing me with this opportunity to thank my students all around the world that I can proudly say, because of whom I'm able to get this award today. So I dedicate this award that I am being receiving at this platform to all my students who are there at different corners of the world, marking their world, their name on the world's platform in the field of forensic sciences and defense forces, thankfully. So thank you so much, and I wish Think Sakshi all the best in their future endeavors, and I'm really happy to be here. Thank you so much once again. Thank you, and happy Teachers Day to everyone. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
Thank you, ma'am. Your work is really inspiring for us forensic enthusiasts. We take immense pride in awarding Dr. Chintan Singh for Young Forensic Scientist Award for impactful contributions to forensic science research and national capacity building. Dr. Chintan Singh is currently serving as a young researcher and assistant professor at the MIT Institute of Forensic Sciences, MIT University, Noida. He has authored over 25 publications indexed in Scopus. His areas of expertise and research include cybersecurity and cyber forensics, artificial intelligence and machine learning, forensic toxicology, and emerging technologies such as blockchain and cryptography. Dr. Singh last year completed his faculty training from Russian embassy and collaboratively working with international peers to achieve sustainable development goals. We congratulate you, sir. Over to you, sir. Unfortunately, sir is unavailable. Our next honor is conferred upon Mr. Harsh Sable for Young Scientist Award, whose commitment and vision have redefined excellence in forensic sciences. Mr. Harsh Sable, teaching assistant and research scholar at Sharda University, Greater Noida, currently pursuing his PhD in environmental toxicology. He holds BSc and MSc degrees in forensic science and has contributed extensively to research on heavy metal contamination, remediations, biosensors, and sustainable wastewater treatment technologies. His expertise spans nanomaterials, biochar, and omics based approaches for environmental monitoring. With several publications and interdisciplinary research projects, Mr. Sable is advancing innovative, low cost solutions for environmental toxicity and forensic applications. We congratulate you, sir, and are grateful for your contributions in this field. Over to you, sir. Please.
Hello, am I audible right now?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Thank you, Siddhi, first of all, for the this wonderful introduction, and happy Teachers' Day to everybody. And I thank the Think Saksha group for this wonderful award. And being a forensic scientist and student, I think that the field is wonderful and vast, and we all think the heavy metal environmental toxicity, toxicology is a field that is being emerging currently. So I'm working in that field, and uh, I think that it is a field that should be looked upon, and people should carry forward this thing. Yeah, thank you.
Thank you, sir, for your work and initiative towards our environment. With gratitude and pride, we award Mr. Deepak Kumar Mahindra for Young Researcher Award, whose remarkable journey reflects dedication and brilliance in forensic sciences. Mr. Deepak Kumar Mahindra is a research scholar in forensic science specializing in forensic toxicology with a focus on analytical strategies and mass spectral libraries. He has 19 publications with reputed international publishers, holds 2 design registrations under the Government of India, and is currently editing 2 academic books. We congratulate you, sir, and are grateful for your contributions. Over to you, sir.
Good evening, everyone. First of all, happy Teachers' Day to all, and I would like to express my gratitude to Team Think Saksh and all the jury members. And I also would like to thank my teachers, my mentors, all my students, and and my friends also. And best wishes to Team Think Saksh. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, sir, for your presence. With gratitude and pride, we award Mr. Kushal Singh for Young Researcher Award, whose remarkable journey reflects dedication and brilliance in forensic sciences. Kushal Singh is a senior research fellow at IIT Mandi, specializing in plasmonic nanoparticle synthesis, nanosensors, and forensic toxicology and chemistry. He completed an MSc in Forensic Science from NICFS Delhi, authored two books, served as assistant professor at SGT University, and was a research exchange student at Abu Academy University, Finland, supported by FICOR, Finnish Indian Consortia for Research and Education. We congratulate you, sir, and are grateful for your contributions. Over to you, sir.
First of all, good evening, everyone, and happy Teachers' Day to the all teaching fraternity out there. To begin with, I would like to extend my sincere thanks to the awarding committee for this meaningful recognition. I would like to congratulate Think Saksh for putting together this event, which plays a vital role in uplifting and motivating the upcoming forensic professionals. I'm especially thankful to my mentor, School of Bioscience and Bioengineering, IIT Mandi, for providing the research facility and infrastructure. My seniors, my colleagues, and my family members for their constant support and encouragement. Receiving this award inspires me to keep working hard, and I hope I can contribute even more to our field in the near future. And at last, uh, best wishes for the Think Saksh. Thank you. Great work.
Thank you so much, sir, for your words. Moving ahead, we honor Mr. Anuj Sharma for Young Forensic Scientist Award, whose outstanding dedication to research and teaching has inspired generations of forensic learners. Mr. Anuj Sharma is an assistant professor in the Department of Forensic Science at ITM University, Gwalior. He holds a BSc Honours in Forensic Science from Lovely Professional University and an MSc from Vivekanand Global University. Currently pursuing a PhD at Galgotias University, he has completed various internships, including at the National Human Rights Commission and Central Forensic Science Laboratory. With 25 research papers and 10 book chapters, 3 patents, his research focuses on forensic toxicology, heavy metal contamination, environmental toxicology, nanotoxicology, and latent fingerprint development. Mr. Sharma is dedicated to advancing the field of forensic sciences. We congratulate you, sir, and are grateful for your contributions. Over to you, sir.
Thank you. I'm deeply honored to receive the Young Scientist Award. I'm grateful to the Think Sakshya, Mr. Hitesh sir, and Miss Apurva ma'am, and the esteemed jury for recognizing my contribution to the forensic science. This award wouldn't have been possible without the guidance and motivation of my teachers, my guides, my mentors, Mr. Dr. Maipal Singh Sankla, Professor Dr. Rajiv sir, Dr. Shivani Tyagi, and others whose influence has been instrumental in shaping my journey. I would like to extend my heartfelt thanks to all of them. Happy Teachers Day to all the incredible teachers, educators who inspires and empower their students to reach new heights. I thanks to all.
Thank you so much, sir. It is with great pride that we present this recognition to Mr. Ankush Kumar Tangra for Young Researcher Award for Excellence and Innovation in Forensic Sciences. Dr. Ankush Kumar, Assistant Professor at Behra Research Innovation and Knowledge Cluster, Rayat Behra University, Mohali, specializes in designing iron-based nanomaterials. His research explores their interactions with biomolecules to develop advanced nanobiointerfaces, pioneering tools with strong potential for enhancing sensitivity and specificity in forensic biomolecular dedication. We congratulate you, sir. Over to you, sir. Sir couldn't join. Our next award goes to Mr. Vaibhav Sharma, a true leader whose work has made remarkable impacts in forensic research and practice. Vaibhav Sharma, hailing from Karauli, Rajasthan, is pursuing an MSc in Forensic Science at Jamia Hamdard University, New Delhi. He holds a BSc Honours in Forensic Science from Vivekanand Global University with 18 research and review papers and 7 book chapters. His academic contributions reflect dedication to advancing forensic science in India. We congratulate you, sir. Over to you, sir.
Good evening, everyone. I would like to express my heartfelt gratitude to Think Saksh for organizing such a meaningful platform that not only honors excellence but also inspires young researchers like me to keep contributing with passion and responsibility. This award is not just mine. It belongs to my mentor, Dr. Mahipal Singh Sagla, who have shaped my journey, my family who has supported me unconditionally, and my colleagues and peers who have always motivated me to move forward. Forensic science for me has always been more than just a subject. It's about truth, justice, and service to society. I will keep working hard to contribute in whatever way I can. Thank you so much for this recognition.
Thank you so much, sir, for your presence. Now, we celebrate Mr. Anubhav Singh for Best Research Scholar Award in Forensic Science, whose scholarly and practical contributions have added immense value to forensic investigation and justice delivery. Anubhav Singh, Doctoral Research Fellow at NFSU India, has authored 30 plus papers and book chapters in forensic science. He has received multiple national and international awards. His research emphasizes preventive forensics, forensics intelligence, and AI driven technologies for crime prevention. We congratulate you, sir, and are grateful for your contribution. Over to you, sir.
Thank you so much, Siddhi. Good evening, everyone. Good evening, sir and ma'am. Happy Teachers' Day. And I'm truly honored to receive the Best Research Scholar Award. And I would like to extend my sincere gratitude to the organizers and the esteemed jury for this recognition. I'm also thankful to my mentor, Dr. Subhi ma'am, and my colleagues and my institution, National Forensic Science University, for their guidance throughout my research journey. This award is both a recognition and a responsibility, and it inspires me to continue contributing meaningful to the advancement of research in my field. Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you. Thanks, Aksh.
Thank you so much, sir. Let us now recognize Mr. Swaroop Sonone for Young Forensic Faculty Award, whose expertise and mentorship have shaped countless students and professionals in forensic sciences. Mr. Sonone, Assistant Professor at JSPM University, Pune, holds bachelor's and master's degrees in forensic science, specializing in digital and cyber forensics. He combines strong academic foundations with practical expertise in forensic tools and software, contributing to both research and teaching. Actively engaged in national and international conferences, workshops, and publications, he provides innovative insights into digital investigations. Beyond academia, he advocates for greater awareness of forensic science, societal role, delivering impactful talks on its importance in justice delivery. His research spans digital and mobile forensics, cyber psychology, and judicial aspects, advancing forensic education and practice. We congratulate you, sir, and are grateful for your contribution to the field. Over to you, sir.
First and foremost, good evening, everyone, and wishing all of you a very happy Teachers' Day. Thank you, Siddhi, for such a lovely introduction. As per given in Bhagavad Gita, chapter 4 and verse 38, it says, Na hi jnanena sadrishyam pavitramahi vidyate, which means that there is nothing in this world as sacred as knowledge. And you, Team Think Saksha, have done a great job in recognizing and felicitating people who have contributed in such a sacred activity of knowledge impartment. I'm truly grateful for this particular award. Thank you to the teams Think Saksha, especially Mr. Hitesh Kadyan, Ms. Apurva Narad. It is my honor to receive this particular award in presence of Dr. S.K. Pal, Dr. G.S. Sodhi sir, Dr. Mukesh Sharma sir, Dr. Ravindra Chauhan sir, Dr. Rajiv sir, Dr. Mahipal Singh Sankla, Dr. Sunil Prajapati, Dr. Surbi Mathur, Shri Yogesh Kumar sir, and my lovely colleagues, Shri Kapil Parihar, Mr. Deepak Mahida, Mr. Anuj Sharma, Mr. Anubhav Singh, and thank you so much, Think Sakshay, for organizing such a beautiful ceremony of Rashtriya Vidhi Vigyan Saman Samaroh. My best wishes to Think Sakshay to achieve greater heights and creating lasting contributions. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, sir, for your contribution in forensic. Moving forward, this recognition is awarded to Mr. Rohit Kanojia for Young Forensic Faculty Award for invaluable contributions that have enriched the forensic science community. Dr. Rohit Kanojia, Assistant Professor, Forensic Chemistry and Toxicology at NFSU Delhi, holds a PhD from the University of Delhi and AIMS. He has cleared UGC NET 4 times, received the UGC NFSC Fellowship, and recently won the National Forensic Hackathon in Chemical Sciences 2025. With recognition from Honorable Home Minister Shri Amit Shah with 12 publications, teaching experience, and membership in professional organization. His research focuses on toxic heavy metals, drugs, VOCs, and advanced extraction methodologies supported by expertise in GCMS, LCMS, HPLC, AAS, and ICP-MS. We congratulate you, sir, and are grateful for your contributions. Over to you, sir.
So thank you so much for recognizing me for such a prestigious award. And finally, it is Dr. Rohit Kanodia, not Mr. Rohit Kanodia. And I know how my 5 years were, and I really enjoyed them. Although my PhD supervisor and other my faculty colleagues and other my senior faculties are also here in this meeting. So I'm really thankful to my ma'am, PhD supervisor, Professor Smita Bhagat ma'am, so that to give me a way to be in forensic, because ma'am is a professor in organic chemistry, but still she helped me a lot, like literally a lot, in helping me in the field of forensics. And secondly, my co-guide Dr. Rikesh Aswar, he was also there whenever I needed him. So once again, thank you so much for such a prestigious award, and that's it.
Thank you, sir. We congratulate you and are grateful for your contributions. Now, we honor Dr. Vaibhav Sarang for Best Educator Award, whose visionary contributions continue to guide and inspire the next generation of forensic scientists. Dr. Vaibhav Sarang, Associate Professor at MIT School of Forensic Science, MIT University, Punjab, has 18 years of teaching and research experience with 50 plus corpus indexed publications, 2 authored books, 3 patents, and global presentations. He has guided 200 plus master's dissertations and 7 PhDs, establishing himself as an icon in forensic science. We congratulate you, sir, and are grateful for your contributions. Over to you, sir. Moving forward, the next honor goes to Dr. Suneet Kumar for Excellence in Forensic Question Document Award, a visionary whose contributions have strengthened forensic science education and practice. Dr. Suneet Kumar is a seasoned forensic document examiner with over 14 years of experience, currently serving as scientific officer at a forensic science laboratory. He has examined and reported on more than 1,200 question document cases, including handwriting, signatures, alterations, typewriting, and currency notes. With extensive expertise in courtroom testimony with cross examination, Dr. Kumar has also contributed through lectures and training for police officials, prosecutors, and students, making a significant impact in advancing forensic document examination in India. We are grateful for your contribution, sir. Over to you, sir.
Hello, am I audible?
Yes, sir.
So, thank you, Think Search team, for recognizing my work in the focus and document examination. and this is wonderful platform to recognize every scientist or every researcher. So thank you very much, and happy Teachers Day to all my seniors and all of you. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir, for your words. Moving forward, we take immense pride in awarding Dr. Chintan Singh for Young Forensic Scientist Award for impactful contributions to forensic science research and national capacity building. Dr. Chintan Singh is currently serving as a young researcher and assistant professor at the MIT Institute of Forensic Sciences, MIT University, Noida. He has authored over 25 publications indexed in Scopus. His areas of expertise and research include cybersecurity and cyber forensics, international intelligence and machine learning, forensic toxicology, and emerging technologies such as blockchain and cryptography. Dr. Singh last year completed his faculty training from Russian embassy and collaboratively working with international peers to achieve sustainable development goals. We congratulate you, sir, and are grateful. Over to you, sir. Moving forward, we would like to congratulate Dr. Amanpreet Singh. Dr. Amanpreet Singh is an assistant professor at the Behra Research Innovation and Knowledge Cluster, Rayat Behra University, Mohali. His research centers on the design and application of carbon quantum dot based nanomaterials and molecular recognition of carbon of critical analytes including food, toxins, antibiotics, heavy materials, anions, nitrites, and nitric oxide. By advancing sensitive and eco-friendly nanomaterial-based detection strategies, Dr. Singh's work contributes significantly to forensic science and chemistry, particularly in ensuring public safety, environmental monitoring, and trace-level detection of hazardous substances. We congratulate you, sir. Over to you, sir.
Hello everyone, is I audible?
Yes, sir.
Okay. First of all, I am truly honored to receive the Young Scientist Award in the field of forensic science. And I sincerely thank you for the organizing committee, the team Shaksha, and the jury for the recognizing my work. This award is not just a personal achievement, but also a motivation to continue to a Department of Forensic Science and advancement of forensic science. I am grateful to my mentors and family for their constant support and encouragement. Finally, my heartfelt thanks to everyone present here for making this occasion memorable. So thank you so much and happy Teachers Day to all. Thank you.
Good evening, everyone. On behalf of Think Saksh, thank you all for joining us today at Rashtriya Vidya Vigyan Samman Samaroh. A special thanks to our guests and dignitaries for being here and encouraging us. To all the award winners, congratulations. Your hard work and contribution in forensic science inspire us. I also want to thank our teammates, our volunteers who work day and night to make this program successful. Thank you for making this event memorable. And once again, happy Teachers Day, everyone.